We offer you deep historical information from history on YouTube channel. Subscribe. Now don't forget to turn on notifications. Chapter 1. Prelude to Independence, pre-1532. Introduction. Ancient Civilizations and Inca Domination. The history of Bolivia, a landlocked country in the heart of South America, is a rich tapestry woven with the threads of ancient civilizations, colonial rule, and the struggle for independence. Before the arrival of European explorers, the region was home to diverse indigenous cultures, including the Aymara, Quechua, and Chiriguano, who developed their own distinct societies and civilizations. The Aymara and Tiwanaku Empire, 1400 to 1100 BC. The Aymara people, skilled farmers and craftsmen, established a powerful empire centered around Lake Titicaca. The Tiwanaku Empire, which flourished between 1400 BCE and 1100 BCE, was known for its monumental architecture, including the Acapana and Calasasaya pyramids. Tiwanaku's influence extended throughout the central Andes region. The Quechua and Inca Empire, 1200–1532 CE. Around the 12th century CE, the Quechua people emerged as a dominant force in the region. Led by the legendary ruler Manco Capac, they established the Inca Empire, which reached its zenith under the reign of Pachacuti Inca Yupanqui in the 15th century. The Inca Empire encompassed a vast territory stretching from modern-day Colombia to Chile and included parts of what is now Bolivia. Inca administration and infrastructure. The Inca Empire was renowned for its efficient administration and impressive infrastructure. They imposed a centralized government, divided the empire into provinces, and developed an elaborate system of roads and bridges to connect the vast territory. The Inca also enforced a form of socialism, in which land and resources were collectively owned and distributed. Chapter 2. Colonial Era, 1532–1825. Spanish Conquest and Exploitation. In 1532, Spanish conquistadors led by Francisco Pizarro arrived in what is now Bolivia. The Spanish quickly established control over the Inca Empire, exploiting its abundant mineral resources, particularly silver. The city of Potosi became one of the largest and most important silver mines in the world, and its exploitation led to the deaths of millions of indigenous laborers. Colonial administration and society. The Spanish imposed their own administrative system on Bolivia, dividing the territory into provinces and establishing a governorate. They also imposed a rigid system of social stratification, with Europeans at the top, followed by mestizos, mixed-race individuals, and indigenous peoples. Indigenous resistance and revolts. The Spanish conquest and exploitation sparked numerous indigenous revolts. One of the most significant was the Tupac Amaru II rebellion in 1780, which sought to overthrow Spanish rule and restore indigenous autonomy. However, the revolt was brutally suppressed, and Tupac Amaru II was executed. Enlightenment ideas and independence movement. In the late 18th century, Enlightenment ideas began to circulate in Bolivia, inspiring a growing desire for independence. Intellectuals and revolutionaries, influenced by the American Revolution and the French Revolution, began to question Spanish authority and advocate for self-government. Chapter 3. Struggle for Independence, 1809–1825. Early uprisings and revolutions. The first stirrings of independence in Bolivia began in 1809, with a popular uprising in La Paz. However, this revolt was quickly crushed by Spanish forces. A more successful revolution occurred in 1825, led by Simón Bolívar and Antonio José de Sucre. The Battle of Ayacucho and Independence. On December 9, 1824, the decisive Battle of Ayacucho took place in Peru. The Spanish army was defeated, and on August 6, 1825, Bolivia declared its independence from Spain. Sucre became the first president of the new republic, which was named after Simón Bolívar. Chapter 4. Early Republic and Political Instability, 1825–1850. Challenges and political turmoil. The early years of Bolivia's independence were marked by political instability and economic challenges. The new republic faced territorial disputes with neighboring countries, including Peru and Chile. Additionally, Bolivia's economy was heavily reliant on the mining industry, which was subject to fluctuations and exploitation by foreign interests. Power struggles and dictatorships. During this period, Bolivia experienced a series of power struggles and military coups. Various caudillos, military leaders, and politicians emerged, each vying for control of the government. This instability hindered economic development and social progress. Chapter 5. A Century of Instability, 1850-1952. Economic dependence and foreign interventions. Throughout the 19th and early 20th centuries, Bolivia continued to struggle with economic instability and foreign interventions. The country's economy remained heavily dependent on mining, leading to fluctuations and exploitation by foreign investors, particularly from Chile and the United States. War of the Pacific and territorial losses. In the War of the Pacific, 1879-1883, Bolivia allied with Peru against Chile. However, Bolivia suffered a humiliating defeat, losing its coastal territory to Chile. This loss of access to the sea had a profound impact on Bolivia's economy and international relations. Civilian government and social reforms. In the early 20th century, there were attempts to establish civilian governments and introduce social reforms. However, these efforts were often met with resistance from the military and conservative elites. Chapter 6. Revolution and Social Transformation, 1952-1982. National Revolution and Agrarian Reform. In 1952, the National Revolution, led by the Movimiento Nacionalista Revolucionario, MNR, brought profound social and political changes to Bolivia. The MNR implemented a series of reforms, including nationalization of the mining industry and agrarian reform, which redistributed land to indigenous communities, military coups, and economic challenges. The years following the revolution were marked by a series of military coups and economic challenges. The country struggled to manage its natural resources and diversify its economy. Additionally, Bolivia faced political divisions and social unrest. Chapter 7. Democratic Transition and Neoliberal Reforms, 1982-2006. Return to Democracy and Neoliberalism. In 1982, Bolivia transitioned to a democratic government. However, the country faced severe economic challenges, including hyperinflation and external debt. In response, the government implemented neoliberal economic policies, including privatization and deregulation. Social unrest and political instability. The neoliberal reforms led to increased social inequality and unemployment, sparking widespread protests and social unrest. This instability contributed to political crises and the rise of populist movements. Chapter 8. Transformation and Indigenous Rights, 2006-present. Election of Evo Morales and Socialist Policies. In 2006, Evo Morales, a socialist and indigenous leader, was elected president. Morales implemented a series of social and economic policies aimed at reducing poverty and empowering indigenous communities. He also promoted the nationalization of key industries and pursued a more independent foreign policy. Constitutional reform and autonomy. In 2009, a new constitution was adopted, recognizing Bolivia as a plurinational state and granting more autonomy to indigenous communities. This constitutional reform aimed to address historical inequalities and promote social justice, economic growth, and social challenges. Under Morales' leadership, Bolivia experienced significant economic growth, driven by high commodity prices and government investment. However, the country also faced challenges, including environmental degradation, corruption, and political polarization. Transition to a new era. In 2019, Morales resigned amid widespread protests and political unrest. Following an interim government, Luis Arce, a member of Morales' party, was elected president in 2020. Arce's government has pursued a moderate political and economic agenda, while also prioritizing social programs and indigenous rights. Conclusion. The history of Bolivia is a complex and multifaceted narrative that spans centuries, encompassing ancient civilizations, colonial rule, independence struggles, social revolutions, and democratic transitions. Throughout its history, Bolivia has faced numerous challenges, including economic instability, political turmoil, and social inequality. However, the country has also made significant progress towards social justice, indigenous empowerment, and economic development. As Bolivia continues to navigate its path forward, it is poised to forge a brighter future for its people and play a vital role in the region and beyond. We offer you deep historical information from history on YouTube channel. Subscribe. Now don't forget to turn on notifications.